Hi everybody. Just driving back from Le Souterrain, where I've bought some delicious food for dinner, a new jumper, and some toys for the dogs. It's so beautiful today, I just had to film. The colours are amazing. I hope the camera does it justice. It's suddenly turned quite cold over the last few days, and the leaves have all turned. We've had lots of rain this year with a very hot summer, but it was quite short. So I've got a lot to tell you, and I'm sorry it's been so long. I'll just get home and sort myself out, and then I'll tell you all about it. Welcome back. It's been a long time. I'm sorry about that. I think the last time we spoke, we were both feeling a little bit low and dejected. Steve's lovely mum had just passed away, and we got a bit fed up with renovation and lost our way a bit, I think. And so anyway, we're back on track, and thought you'd like to hear a little story that happened over the end of the summer. We have some lovely friends who have been looking to come over here from England. They still live in England at the moment. They found a house and made an offer on it, not too far from us. But unfortunately, as is quite often the case here, it was an inheritance property, which means a lot of people own it. And so you have to get in touch with all the people. And I think in this case, there were 8. And everyone has to agree to sell and to the price, and everyone has to sign everything, and everyone lives all over the place, so it's hard. So they were having difficulty with this particular house, and then it all fell through, and it was very sad. And so I just casually said, why don't I have a look around here, around where we live? And they said, oh gosh, that'd be great, because it's difficult for them to come over and very expensive to keep coming over looking for places, as we know from our own story. And so anyway, I had a very brief look online and saw this little house that is in a village. It's about 10 minutes from here. It looked very sweet, just the sort of thing I think they were looking for. So I thought you'd like to come along on the visit and see what you think. See you later. So this is the house from the road. As you can see, it's set right back. It's so pretty, it really is. And I love the colours of the shutters and everything. So this is the kitchen. One of the kitchens is actually one big house that's been made into 2. So this is the first kitchen with a bedroom through the back there. I mean, it's a great size, it really is. Amazing. And you could easily just live here. This is the bedroom at the back of that kitchen, or they're using it as a bedroom. Obviously it needs a lot of TLC. A beautiful view out the back there. And this funny little staircase in the corner. Really, really pretty. Well, I'll show you upstairs later. This is the second kitchen now. I don't know, they must have made it into 2 some time ago. But anyway, it's another big room. Look at that lovely floor. So I think that's another bedroom through there. Very nice tiles, lovely cabinet. Right, so this is the bedroom through there. So this is the room at the back. So it's basically the house has got 4 rooms. Again, nice big door there looking out onto the back garden. And a lot of old furniture. Don't know if they'd leave that for you, they might do. So this is the little bathroom. So again, it's you can live here. It's very rudimentary. As you can see, cement floors and everything. But yeah. And this is Well, they're using it as a laundry room. So this is another room that's right on the end of the property. It's all stone walls and cement floors. I think that this used to be the dairy where the cows would come in and be milked. Yet another space. This is underneath a mezzanine bit that's on the end of the house. It's got all tools and whatnot in here. Nice strimmer. A nice lot of wood up there. Yeah, so that's it's funny. It's very similar to our house. It's cool, really nice. Old ladders everywhere. So this is that little stairway that's in a cupboard, and it's all made of oak. So right at the top is a big grenier or attic space. I mean, it's huge. So that wall is a wooden wall that's in between the two properties. But it's huge. And this is the other side of that wall. Another massive space with tommet flooring everywhere. It's really gorgeous. So, that gun going off, it's very unusual and apparently doesn't happen all the time. So this is the back. So it is shared at the back here, but apparently no one lives there, but there are chickens. So there's somebody who comes in to feed the chickens and cuts the grass. But this would be your bit, which goes right down to that tree line. So perfect for cabins or yurts or something. This lovely tree. And this sort of lean-to thing there. So that little field is yours. Is yours. We're getting too excited for you. That's a bird. It is a bird scarer, but I've never heard one before. It's crazy. And this is out the front. So it looks like the neighbours have mowed this very kindly for you. But yeah, it's just nice to be not right on the road. This is a farm next door. It's a cattle farm. So that barn's a bit ugly, but I don't suppose you'll notice it after a while. But yeah, this front garden is gorgeous. So we drove home full of excitement and bursting to show our friends the photos and videos. We knew they were looking for a house to renovate, but one that they could live in whilst doing the work. They wanted a bit of land too, to hopefully start a yurt business, and the property had 2 acres, so plenty of space. The funny thing was it piqued our interest, and we didn't stop talking about it all afternoon. So not only did we feel excited for our friends, it renewed our own enthusiasm for our house. A double whammy of fabulous feelings. So, with all that excitement in our brains, I will leave you with a little video I made of a leaf candle holder I created with some clay and a spot of acrylic paint. Join us again next time to find out what our friends thought of that charming little house and a rather extraordinary turn of events. Merci d'avoir regardé et à bientôt!